Ordering free cut samples from Tile Mountain is incredibly easy. Just go to tilemountain.co.uk, click the category of tiles you're looking for, then choose the tiles you want for your project. Now all you need to do is click the green Totally Free Cut Sample button to add a sample to your basket. You can add up to 3 totally free cut samples if you need to, then simply fill in your details and hit Request Samples. And that's it. Your samples will be picked by our warehouse team straight away, and they'll be sent by a first-class post, meaning you can get on with your project in no time at all. Best of all, the samples will be delivered through your letterbox, so you won't have to stay in all day waiting for a parcel. If you're happy with the samples you receive, you can place a full order in much the same way. And remember, all orders over £199 are delivered free to most UK postcodes. Tile Mountain. Get the look for less.